Hello everyone, it's Kira here. How's everybody doing? Today, I just want us to have a little chat and I'm talking about your giftings, and I would like to go back to the basics. One, we are all born for a purpose. Two, you are the miracle. The process of getting here and being able to listen to me puts you among the 1%. Just having this technology, just having the understanding and the wisdom to grasp what I'm saying, you're the miracle right there. Three, that gift of yours is designed to be shared, to be given, to be exposed, to be exposed in a grand kind of way. It doesn't matter what you do or how you express it. That gift of yours needs developing, it needs a nurturing, it needs time, your time and resources, it needs attention, but it will demand until its voice is heard. The gift is in you. How do you find it? Whatever comes easy to you. Whatever people ask, how do you do that? It comes so easy to you that you don't even realize it's a gift. We've been trained to think the good things are supposed to be hard. Not necessarily. Sometimes you're just gifted and it's right there. It just needs to be packaged better and served better. Another thing, you have to give of it generously, because your fulfillment, believe it or not, comes from giving your gift. I got a comment the other day. Actually, thank you guys for all the comments and all the activity you put on this page and all the wonderful people I keep meeting, because some of you message me here and there. Thank you. It's always it's a pleasure. And they were thanking me for being diligent and putting out these videos all the time and encouraging and all that. Yes, it is my gift to share. I share random things, whatever crosses my mind, but I know in that there is something for you too. Interestingly, I always say this: the owner of the gift always is the first beneficiary of what those gifts entail. So if you're a gardener, a farmer for that matter, when you receive your crop, your harvest, you're going to be the first person to taste that fruit before you take it for sale. So what I'm meaning is, me as an encourager, I always get the first fruits. So I'm always uplifted in every way. My soul lights up, Creative ideas keep flowing from nowhere. They just come, My gift of writing poetry is strengthening day by day. The secret is, I didn't know I was a writer. I didn't even know I could write poems. They just came. Remember that saying that the Holy Spirit will land on men and women, young and old, across cultures? It's happening. We are awakening. Dormant gifts that were in us are popping up from nowhere. I started writing in around maybe 2017. So I call myself an accidental writer. And I really don't have a plan for the writing. Whatever comes, it knows and it can trust me that I'll share it. So I say this to say, share your gift, nurture it, trust that in it is embedded everything you will need to enjoy this life here on earth. I posted a quote recently, and it said something along the lines of the our nature and life and the universal laws will supersede all man-made constructs, meaning all the rules and laws and everything that's happening can be surpassed by understanding the natural laws and how life works. You will totally surpass, so don't feel imprisoned or caged because of certain things maybe that are happening within your community, within your society. You can supersede all that once you understand how life works. Use your gifts generously. Take for example, a sportsman. Many years ago, I used to love basketball, and Kobe, Shaq, those were the people I used to like, Derek Fisher. And when you see sportsmen, they supersede all cultures and all kinds of activity and all kinds of training rules that are out there in order for their gift to shine. It breaks boundaries, So that gifting is special. It will cut across any boundary you think you have. So use it and use it generously. Feel free to start slow, start small, wherever you were, but give it some energy. And I always chat with my dad, and he always says, just give in 10%. Then life will add on the rest as you go. So today, I encourage you, share your gift, give it generously, put resources behind it, and allow it to speak. It will take you to places that you've never imagined even exist. As always, it's Mother Ego, Kireki, author of several books. Reach out to me if you have any questions, mentorship, or any of that sorts. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.